In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sprint boards in Trello. Whether you're managing a software development project, organizing your team's workflow, or just looking to streamline tasks, Trello is a powerful tool for staying on top of your goals. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up an efficient sprint board that keeps everything organized and helps your team collaborate effectively. So let's dive in and get started. First, head over to the Trello website. That's www.trello.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have one yet, you can create an account for free. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, look for the option to create a new board. You'll see this as a button labeled Create New Board. Alternatively, Trello offers pre-built templates, so if you prefer to save time, you can select one such as the Scrum board template to get a head start. If you decide to start from scratch, you'll need to name your board. Make sure to choose a clear and descriptive name, like Sprint Board, so it's easy to identify after naming it. You can also set the board's visibility. Depending on your needs, you can keep it private or share it with your workspace so your team can access it. Now it's time to organize your board by adding lists that reflect your sprint workflow. These lists are the columns that will help you track the progress of tasks. Start with creating a product backlog list. This is where you'll store all future tasks or ideas that haven't been prioritized yet. Next, add a sprint backlog list. This is where you'll move tasks that you've committed to completing during the current sprint. Then, create an in-progress list for tasks that are actively being worked on. If your workflow involves quality assurance or peer reviews, you can also add an in-review or testing list. Finally, make a done or sprint complete list to hold all finished tasks. Once your lists are in place, it's time to start creating cards. In Trello, cards represent individual tasks or user stories. Add a card to the appropriate list for each item you need to track. For example, if you have a feature to develop, create a card for it and add it to the sprint backlog list. To make your tasks more manageable, use Trello's checklist feature. Within each card, you can break the work into smaller subtasks. For instance, if you're developing a new feature, you might create checklist items for the design, development, and testing phases. Don't forget to add details to your cards in the description section, explain what the task is about, or include any important context. You can also attach files, such as design mockups or documents, or add links to relevant resources. To clarify who is responsible for each task, assign team members to the cards. This helps avoid confusion and ensures everyone knows what they're working on. To enable collaboration, invite your team members to the board. Simply use Trello's invite feature to send them an email or share a direct link to the board. Next, use labels to better organize and filter tasks. Trello's labels let you categorize cards visually. For example, you can use labels like bug, blocked, or high priority to make tasks stand out and communicate their status at a glance. If you're working with story points to estimate effort, you can include the point value in the card's title or description. This helps your team understand the complexity of each task and plan their workload accordingly. As work progresses, you can move cards across the lists to reflect their current status. For example, if a task is ready to start, drag it from the sprint backlog to in progress. Once it's complete, move it to the done list. This keeps your workflow visually organized and up to date. To take your board to the next level, consider adding Trello power-ups. These are integrations and tools that enhance your board's functionality. For example, you can add reporting tools to track progress, or integrate with GitHub if you're managing development tasks. Finally, make it a habit to regularly update your board. Keep your cards up to date, maintain the organization of your lists, and use labels and checklists to ensure nothing falls through the cracks. This consistent upkeep will help your sprint board stay effective and reliable. And that's it. You've just learned how to create and manage a sprint board in Trello. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.